I am Dr. Subir Javeri. I am one of the co-founders of the Minimal Invasive Spine Association of Bharat, and we are celebrating our 10th anniversary. This time the conference is being held at Ahmedabad. It is called MISSABCON 2024 and it is being held at the Leela Gandhinagar.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sama. I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon practicing in Dubai, and I'm the current educational officer of AO Spine in Middle East and North Africa. Today I'm talking to you from the MISSABCON, and it's a pleasure to be here today. We had wonderful sessions over the past couple of days. We have talked about everything related to technology in spine surgery, including navigation, robotics, and AI. It's a wonderful conference. I advise everyone to attend it. It's really covering all the technology in spine surgery and all the advances over the coming few years. I had a wonderful time over here, enjoying the Indian culture as well. It's a very unique event, and I really advise everyone to attend.
Hello, my name is Andrew Parent. I'm a neurosurgeon from Canada, and I'm thrilled to have been invited to MISSABCON 2024 to talk about a passion of mine, which is neuromodulation for chronic pain, spinal cord stimulation for chronic pain. I think what they've done with MISSABCON and the Minimally Invasive Spine Association is absolutely phenomenal to incorporate the young neurosurgeons and spine surgeons of India and to increase their knowledge. Also, I'm thrilled to have been invited to share in the cultural experience of being in India.
Hello everyone, I am Ayush Sharma. I am a spine surgeon in Mumbai, and it is an absolute pleasure to be here at Gandhinagar at MISSABCON 24. It is one of the biggest MIS meeting in India right now, and we had a lot of great guys here, one of the most pioneer people who talk about MIS, who dream about MIS, and who do MIS surgery. So it's a pleasure and honor to be here this year in 24, and let me again invite you in 25 to come to Mumbai to witness a bigger, better and a more dynamic conference, which is ASMIS AP, a combined meeting of MISSAB and ASMIS AP in 2025. So see you in 2025 in Mumbai.